Do you keep forgetting to record your Google meeting? Not if you have Google Meet auto recording. Here's how to do it. You'll need admin access to set this up. The setting lives in the Google Admin console under Google Meet. Once enabled, it can be applied to specific users, teams, or the entire organization. Sign into the Google Admin console with an administrator account. In the left menu, go to Apps to Google Workspace and then click Google Meet. Click on Meet Video Settings. Click Recording, then check the box. Let people record their meetings. Click Save. Note that changes may take up to 24 hours to apply. Admins can also manage recording quality limits here based on edition. When auto recording is turned on, participants see a clear notification that the meeting is being recorded. If someone joins late, they'll get the same alert. Recording can't start without this message. It's part of Google's privacy and compliance protections. Auto recording sounds helpful until it fills up your storage. Sometimes you just need a way to capture what was said without saving an entire recorded meeting. Tactiq gives you that option. Instead of recording the video or audio, Tactiq transcribes the entire Google Meet call in real time. You get the full transcript, plus AI summaries, key highlights, and action items. There you have it. That's how you turn on auto recording on Google Meet. Do visit our blog at tactiq.io/learn. Subscribe to our channel for more Google Meet tips and tricks.